Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two examples of factoring. So the first step is I look at the last number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an X here. That last number goes up top. The middle number is 5. I'm going to put that on the bottom. What I ask myself is, what two numbers multiply to get 6 and add up to get 5? So we're doing times here. What two numbers multiply to get 6 that add up to 5? Well, I'm going to say that 2 and 3 would work because 2 times 3 is 6. Plus, if you add them together, 2 plus 3 is 5. So I'm going to write my answers down. So what you have to do is you take these two numbers. Since our variable is the x, we're going to write x plus 2 and x plus 3. And that's our answer. Okay. Now, my next example is x squared minus 7x minus 18. First step is we want to draw our x again. And just to organize it a little bit, and my top number is going to be negative 18. My bottom number is negative 7. Now, what I want to do is I want to try to figure out what two numbers multiply to get negative 18 and add up to get negative 7. So two numbers that multiply to get negative 18, and they also have to add up to get negative 7. If you get stuck on one of these, like say you think that 6 and 3 both are negative, negative 6 times a positive 3 is negative 18, but they don't add up to negative 7. So you can always list your factors of what you think it might be, like 18's here. Well, 1 and 18's not a match because I have those two, okay? And then we thought that maybe it's 2 and 9 perhaps, or 3 and 6. That's all my different factors of that. Well, if you look at 2 and 9, is there some kind of combination we can do to make that add up to negative 7? Well, I know that a 9 and 2 multiply to get 18, but that's not a negative number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a negative 9. Does that work? Well, negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. And if you add negative 9 plus 2, you'll get negative 7. So those are my two correct factors, okay, of those two numbers, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to x, wherever the sign is, if it's negative, we're going to put a minus 9 in parentheses. And also we're going to do x plus 2. Oops, x plus 2. There we go. And we do a parenthesis, okay? Let me erase that little part right there. There we go. And there you have it, everybody. Let me box that answer and call it good. Okay. So that's how you factor a couple of different examples that I had. If you want to subscribe and like this channel, please do. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.